Okay, good day class. So we're done with the topic, the history, facility, and equipment in playing badminton. And also in our lesson 2, we also discussed about the basic terminologies in playing badminton. But today we're going to tackle another important topic, which is the grips and shots in badminton. Welcome to lesson 3, grips and shots in badminton. We all know that badminton is a very important sport that is quite different from other racket games like tennis or table tennis. A wrist snap is very important for proper play, so that the grip must be held in such a way that the greatest amount of wrist action is possible. Let us define first what is grip. In badminton, a grip is a way of holding the racket in order to hit shots during a match. The most commonly used grip is the orthodox forehand grip. Most players change grips during a rally depending on whether it is forehand or backhand shot. A grip is also the wrapping around the handle of the racket. There are two kinds of grip. The first kind of grip is the forehand grip. This is popularly called the handshake grip, for it means the palm to be parallel to the face of the racket. It is sometimes called pistol grip. A player's forehand side is the same side as their playing hand. For a right-handed player, the forehand side is their right side and the backhand side is their left side. Forehand strokes are hit with the front of the hand leading, like hitting with the palm. The other type of grip is the backhand grip. This slightly modified version of the forehand grip can vary depending on the type of shot being hit, especially when the shot should be made from the left side of the player. Backhand strokes are hit with the back of the hand leading, like hitting with the knuckles. After knowing the two kinds of grip, let us move on to the service. The service is the shot that starts a play or a rally. There are several kinds of service. The first kind of service is the forehand high serve. It is to hit the shuttle high and deep to the end line of the opponent's court. Forehand low serve is to hit the shuttle lightly above the net, passing through the short service line of the opponent's side. The third one is the backhand low serve. It is to hit the shuttle lightly above the net level, passing through the short service line of the opponent's side. While the last one is the backhand flick serve. It is to hit the shuttle high and deep to the back double service line of the opponent's side. Later on, I will show you a video presentation in order to understand the basic principles of service. But now, let us move on to the strokes. Strokes in badminton are part of the foundation of badminton. Without proper knowledge of badminton strokes, your progress in the game will be impaired. It can be overhead, underhand, or parallel. Hitting the shuttlecock with the racket varies from the intent of the player and the flight of the bird. There are different kinds of stroke in badminton. The first kind of stroke is the clear. The shuttle soars high in a high arc and falls into the court behind the opponent. While the second stroke is the so-called drop. The shuttle falls gently and just clears the net. The third stroke is the drive. It is a hard stroke hit on a straight line. While the last kind of stroke is the so-called smash or kill. It is a hard stroke hit sharply downward. And those are the different kinds of stroke. This is the end of my presentation. And now, I will show you a video presentation in order to understand more about the concept of this topic.
shot in badminton. There are many different variety of shot in badminton, but in this video I will show you 9 different shots in badminton.
First, let's talk about grip in badminton. Forehand grip, start with the shake-hand grip. As you can see in the picture, you want to keep your index finger far out in the front. Index finger in the higher level of the grip. And also rest your thumb to the left side of the grip. Your thumb slightly touch your middle finger. And also you want to make sure that you hold your racket lightly. For the backhand grip, you might want to apply a pinching grip. Place your thumb in the flat surface of the grip, as you can see on the video. Your thumb in the center of the grip. And you want to make sure that you keep your index finger and your thumb in the same level, as you can see in the video. You will use your forehand grip when the shuttle is coming toward the center of your body to your racket hand. And you will use your backhand grip when the shuttle is coming towards the center of your body to your non-racket hand. The purpose of this clear shot is to force the opponent to move to the back of the court, so you will have a better opportunity to hit a winning shot. The purpose of drop shot is also to force the opponent to move from the back court to the front court, so you will have a better opportunity to hit a winning shot. Smash is one of the most powerful shots in badminton, especially if you're in the good control, or when you see the opportunity is coming. Smash is the best way to hit a winning shot. The purpose of drive shot is to put a pressure and to force the opponent to have less time to react. The purpose of lifting shot is to force the opponent to move from the front side of the court to the back side of the court. The purpose of net shot is to make the opponent run from the back court to the front court. Also to force the opponent to leave in order for you to gain the attack. Backhand shot often used when you are in out of position or when you are under pressure in the back of your non-racket hand. You might apply this shot to your opponent to limit their attacking option so you can gain the attack immediately.
Alright, that's it for today's video. I hope this video will help to improve your understanding about the basic stroke in badminton.
I hope you enjoy and understand our topic for today. Now, you can look at your Google Classroom for our activity and output to be made for this topic. Good luck and keep safe, everyone.